right, so we have another problem where we are dividing fractions using the keep it, switch it, flip it, multiply it across method, or the KSFM method. Okay, so we have 3/8 and we are dividing it into groups of 2/3. So we're going to keep our dividend as it was, so it's going to be 3/8. We're going to switch our operation from division to multiplication, and then finally we take our divisor and we're going to flip it. So we will have our 3 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. And then finally we're going to see if we can cross cancel, and we see that we cannot make 3 or 8 smaller, and we cannot make 3 and 2 smaller. So we just multiply straight across. So 3 times 3 gives me 9. 8 times 2 gives me 16. So 9/16 should be my answer. And we will check it by checking our work. So we're going to take our quotient and add it into our check your work. And so we have 9/16. And then we are going to multiply that by the divisor that we had in the original problem. So that was 2/3. And then we see if we can cross cancel to make our numbers smaller. And we see that we have 16 and 2, which both of those can be divided by 2, turning that 16 into an 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. Then finally we look at the other two numbers that are apart from each other or across from each other, and we want to see if we can reduce those. So we have 9 and 3, which both can be divided by 3. So we have 9 divided by 3, which is 3, and 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. And finally, I just multiply across. So 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 1 is 8. So my dividend should be 3/8, which it was. So 9/16 was the correct answer. Thanks for watching.